branch fake colonies, which are colonies of Switzerland. France is a colony of Switzerland. America is owned by Switzerland. Mexico is owned by Switzerland. Canada is owned by Switzerland. Australia is owned by Switzerland. But we want to pretend they're independent sovereign nations, which they're not. They're all insolvent and they're dependent on central bank funding. So then they'll say, well, we'll have a peace conference in your capital, or we'll have a banking meeting in Sydney, Australia. They could have that meeting in Geneva. Don't they have the the conference ski trip in Switzerland?
Yeah.
Yeah. Davos is in Switzerland. But they have everything else outside of Switzerland to create the illusion that other countries are deciding. Other countries have no authority at all. That's a show. That's theater. And you brought up something there back with that map. Is that go show that map again. I wanted to tell you that you brought me back to 1980, 81, 82, and 83, where I was auditing Bank of America, and I learned the vernacular of the military acronym of Bank of America, which is highly compartmentalized like a submarine. And when you talk about putting a map up of your affiliate branches, one of the vocabulary terminologies is this a bank-owned subsidiary or is this an affiliate bank subsidiary entity? Because they have this thing called subsidiary bank-owned, then they have subsidiary affiliate-owned. What the heck is the difference between an affiliate and bank-owned? So if Bank of America wanted to buy the Bank of Oman, which, by the way, they did, you do know that all these banks own all the banks in the whole world. So there's no such thing as I'm a small bank, I'm independent. No, you're a correspondent bank. You don't need to be a member of the Bank for International Settlements in Switzerland to be a member of the Bank for International Settlements in Switzerland. In other words, if Bank of America owns 1% of your bank, Bank of America is a member of BIS. So that means so are you.
Indeed.
Your affiliation, you took money from a BIS sanctioned branch bank. And if you took money from them, you are beholden to them. And Bank of America's rule was if B of A owned less than 50% of Bank of Oman or the Bank of Israel or some small bank in a small African country, for example, it was considered to be an affiliate bank. If they own 50% or more, they consider it a subsidiary bank.